Hi everyone, again in this screencast I will show you how to get started designing your learning module in Moodle. Specifically I will show you how to find your module space in the website and how to start adding assignments, activities and other content to your module. So let's get started. Here I am at pz-writing.net/Moodle is the URL. And I'm going to log in. On the right hand side here you see the login link. I'm going to log in with the account that's similar to the one you have, not the administrator account but the designer account. Click on login. And what I see here is the course that I'm enrolled in, and that is the Teaching Online in Text and Technology Sandbox. So I'm going to click on that. And here you will see that I created what technically Moodle calls sections for each and every one of you. It's a little clunky, but basically each of these sections enables you to create a module, which is what we want for this project. So I call them by our last name. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my section under my name, but before I can do that I need to enable editing. So here on the right there is a button that says turn editing on. So I'm going to do that. And while it's thinking, I just wanted to again make a brief comment on sort of Moodle being a little clunkier than Canvas, and you know, it's usable, but it's not as nice and streamlined as Canvas or even you know, the latest versions of Blackboard. So now you can see all these editing options showed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work again with my section under my last name. And now where I need to go is I need to click on this add an activity or resource link. And here there's a choice of different things that you can add. So for instance, let's say I'm designing my my module and I want to have a page of learning outcomes first. So what I want to choose here is probably page in the resources. Highlight this and click on add. And it's thinking again. And then I can name it. Let's say I want to call it learning outcomes. Okay. I can give it a brief description. And then I can type my outcomes here. Outcome 1, outcome 2, and so on. I wouldn't change anything here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on Save and Display. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my module again. Sorry, I'm going to have to go back to Sandbox here. And here you can see that it's under my name, it's displaying this page called Learning Outcomes. Now let's say I wanted to add a discussion forum post. Moodle calls it just forum, so I'm going to add a forum. Click on Add. Call it something. Discussion 1. Again, you can give it a description. This is where you would post your prompt. Okay. And here you can choose from different types of forum, which is actually quite nice. So it's up to you what you're going to choose. And then I'm going to go save and return to course. Oops, description. This is the first forum post, just a generic description. Save and return to course. Okay. So now I have a couple of items here which I can rearrange if I chose to, which I can move around. I'm going to add another one just to give you another example. So let's say I wanted to add a quiz I'll click on add again. While it's thinking. Okay, I'm just gonna call it quiz 1. This is the first quiz, and I'm not gonna spend time choosing any of these things, but you can choose them on your own if you decide to include a quiz. You can save and return to course. And so this is what it's going to look like if I just edit 3 activities. So I'm going to go ahead and turn editing off. You don't have to do it, but if you do, this is what it's going to look like. So when you start designing your module, after you, rather under your name, you will have a list of activities and assignments here, and this is how we can all see each other's work on the same page. So this is how you get started designing your learning module on Moodle. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be looking forward to your designs.